Okay, so let's say you found a share of interest and you're considering purchasing it, but you want to add a little bit more discipline to that buying process. How do you check that it's qualifying for all of your rules? Well, this is why we built the checklist tool. It allows you to check any stock against a set of criteria from any stock screen. And obviously you can draw on all that knowledge of all the gurus that we've tracked in our guru screens, as well as any of the stock screens that you might put together yourself. The way that you load this up is load up a stock report, go to Tools, and click Run Through a Checklist. And instantly you'll see that the stock is there tracked against a stock screen. In this case, the Jim Slater Zulu Principle screen, who was one of my own personal gurus. I read all his books and really got me into investing. You can see here that BP is only qualifying for 3 out of this checklist rules. So as a Zulu investor, I might give it a skip, even though it's got a high ranking. But you can go and find any of the kind of guru screens that we follow and check it against all those other stock screens or your favorites in there. If you're not so sure and you've set up your own or you've followed another one of your friends, you can always load up against one of your screens. So if you've set up a set of rules, you can load it up here. And as you can see here in higher yielding and safer FTSE stocks, BP is still not qualifying for that checklist rules. So you can see that this tool is a really great sanity check to ensure that something is qualifying and to apply that little bit more rigor to your investment process. If you're going through these and you're not sure what anything means, you can of course click it and you'll see that the reason why it doesn't qualify for that rule. Read a little bit more about that criteria and more, and again that will accelerate your learning if you're looking through all of the guru screens. I think that's all I've got to say about that, and I hope you find it very, very useful.